So now, after preparing everything, now taking them to go and install. Down. Draw down up.
Ka sa wannan da pipe a sama.
Okay, but I'm not.
Ka sa wannan.
You don't see about next time.
Akwai wani giya ko?
So after fixing all this equipment, I'm to be taking them to where we're going to be installing them. So this is a water filter which is used in purifying your water, and it will give you a world-class test of water.
This is the engineer.
Yeah.
Foreman.
Engineer.
The electrical engineer is the foreman.
So we're taking it down so that we're gonna be installing it. If you need water to be treated at your home, at your school, your organization, wherever, you can contact us. This is NOAA water system. We'll give you a quality water world-class test. You can test it in any lab and you will see that the test is real and unique. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll keep giving you updates of what's happening. This is Ukeme TV. If you love my video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my video with your friends and families. For the contact, just get in touch with me and I'll give you this. This is not, although it's very easy and at a cheaper rate. So now we're moving down to the venue where we are going to be installing the water treatment purification tank. I hope you enjoyed this video. So we have here the engineers, the workers, everybody are moving. Okay, Daddy go. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.